Every recipe on this website comes with, obviously, instruction on how to feed your body. It also comes with some food for thought, food for your mind and your spirit. Today's message or thought is paying attention to how differences can enhance what you have and what others have. So just like the sour cream and the turbinado sugar, they're opposite. One is sweet, one is sour, but coming together, they enhance each other and they make a wonderful flavor. Just like the colors of this blueberry, these blueberries and the strawberries, and then adding a little bit of mint. See how those colors, they're so different, they're so contrasting, and yet they make such a wonderful combination. So in this crazy world, as it seems all differences are seen as bad, I'd like to invite you to use the opportunity when you come across someone who's very different from you, whether it be in the way they think or the way they look, and see how their differences can enhance not only you, but them, and how you can come together and make it delicious. I truly want this world to be one of interconnection and peace. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe and these thoughts. If you have, please drop me a line or text me and let me know. Aloha, today we're doing a simple recipe for summer. Apricots are in season, and this will take you less than 5 minutes. You just need to chill it for a little bit before you eat it, but you get 6 apricots and halve them and pit them, and you add 1/4 cup of turbinado sugar and mix it with 1 cup of sour cream, and you put in a heaping teaspoon, but you don't want to overfill it, otherwise it's going to start pouring out. And you just top it with some strawberries, and it's up to you if you want to put the strawberries on the bottom or the top, or you can change it around to add a little bit more of variety, and top it with mint. Yummy. How's that? That took like 1 minute to put together. I hope you try this. It's really fun. Till next time. Aloha.